Want to start a business in Vegas the smart way? Here's a proven step-by-step guide that helps real entrepreneurs go from idea to operation, even if you're not from Nevada. Welcome to Vegas, the land of entrepreneurs. Las Vegas isn't just casinos and bright lights. It's also a no-state income tax haven, business-friendly licensing and infrastructure, home to a growing tech plus e-commerce startup ecosystem. A great launchpad for service, hospitality, or location-independent businesses. But if you don't know the local laws, licensing tricks, or how to avoid predatory business registration services, you'll waste weeks and thousands of dollars. Let's fix that. Step 1, choose the right business structure. LLC, Corp, something else. Most small business owners in Vegas choose one of three structures. 1, LLC. An LLC provides limited liability protection and pass-through taxation. This structure is best for most startups and solopreneurs. The fees are approximately $420 per year. 2, sole proprietor. A sole proprietorship is good for freelancers and consultants because they just have to file a personal tax return, and the cost can be from $0 to $210 to start the business. 3, corporation. Startups raising capital will want to start a corporation, but it's more complex, costs over $500 per year, and has to pay both corporate and payroll taxes. Most business owners prefer Nevada LLCs because we have no state income tax and strong asset protection laws. You don't even have to live in Nevada to form one. Step 2, register your business in Nevada. You'll need to 1, name your business. 2, register with the Nevada Secretary of State. 3, get your state business license. 4, file your initial list of members. 5, optional, get a DBA, doing business as, if needed. You can use Nevada's official portal called Nevada Silver Flume to apply. You'll find the link in the description below. The total cost estimate will normally include a state business license for $200, initial list for $150, LLC filing fee for $75, for a total of approximately $425 a year. Don't use sketchy LLC registration sites charging $49.99 plusers for the same thing. Just do it yourself or hire a licensed Nevada business attorney. Step 3, get a Las Vegas business license. It's separate. Even after registering with the state, you'll still need a city or county business license. There are multiple jurisdictions, including Las Vegas, Clark County, Henderson, North Las Vegas, Boulder City, and Mesquite, Nevada. Service businesses may need multiple of them, while home businesses or retail locations only need to file in their jurisdiction. I've provided the link to find out which ones you need in the description below. Step 4, get an IN+. Open a business bank account. This is a fast win. Go to the IRS EIN Assistant, fill out the form for free, and use your IN to open a business bank account at a Nevada-based bank or online. Why does this matter? It keeps your personal and business finances legally separate, builds business credit, and makes you look legit when applying for loans or leases. Step 5, get any permits you need, especially for brick and mortar. If you're opening a restaurant, bar, nail salon, massage business, home daycare, you'll need health permits, fire inspections, or special licenses. Go to Las Vegas Business Licensing Portal. This is where most people mess up. They assume the general business license is enough. It's not. Important. Always check with city and county zoning before signing a lease. Not all properties allow commercial use. Step 6, market. Like you're in Vegas, because you are. Here's where Vegas gets fun. If you're in a high foot traffic area, e.g., Strip adjacent, downtown Fremont, Summerlin, location-based marketing wins. Google Business Profile, optimize this first. Yelp, yes, people still use it here. Local Instagram influencers collaborate with other local businesses, cross-promotion. If you're online or remote, focus on SEO plus content. Blog about Vegas-specific problems or services. Use community groups, Reddit, Facebook, Las Vegas Slack channels. Step 7, optimize for tax benefits the Nevada way. Nevada, Has tax savings when done right. No personal income tax, no corporate income tax, no franchise tax, but there are still payroll taxes, commerce tax, if over $4 million revenue, local sales tax, 8.375%. You'll also want to hire a Nevada-based CPA. They'll help you. Deduct your rent, meals, travel, yes, even Vegas travel. Stay compliant with city plus state forms. Avoid nasty surprises from the IRS. Are you ready to start your business in Las Vegas? You know the licenses you need. You know how to register with the state plus city. You know how to avoid common traps. You have access to high ROI resources. Vegas rewards risk takers, but only the ones who prepare. This city has built empires and buried dreams. Start smart, move fast, and get help where it counts. If you want to actually launch instead of endlessly researching, download the full toolkit. Let's get it done.